Hi once again. So today we'll just add some cards from this bouquet. I have this modern bouquet. It's a gift from a friend who knows that I like to make handmade cards. It has 48 sheets, 3 collections, paper pad, and these are some fancy ones. If I'll show you guys, like this one for card making, this one, and this fancy one to add. And then so for today, as we are making cards for this quarantine, today I have this card as a standard. It's just a plain card, so I'm trying to make it so we can find the envelopes later on when the stores reopen. We can find the envelopes accordingly. This is just for the measurement. Uh-oh. So we can just cut it accordingly and over here. And then I have this measuring scale. And find out where is the center. So we'll find out around this. Now with the help of a plain scissor, we'll cut it. Just like this. We have this paper over here. And now keeping this thing kind of the center, we'll just try to fold it in half. Just like this. If you see something uneven, you can just make it even and cut it nicely if there is something uneven. Over here, if we see from these magazines, which I have, show them the closer. From these old magazines, I was able to find some of these nice pictures, and we are gonna stick them all together as making a piece of art. I like this white background, so we can use it either way. We can use it like this at the back, or we can use it like this and stick all the pictures on top to see what we have. I'm thinking of gluing these pictures on this, which means that during these quarantine days, that's what we are snacking, eating, making some healthy habits, and almonds are there too. And then we are left with these pictures. I was trying to put all of them together, even these. Let's see if we can add it on the other side all together. So this is a piece of art. We cut those pictures from an old magazine, and it says, watch TV, eat, sleep, repeat. quarantine days, chill at home. So this is what they all are doing. And then I got a very nice picture of these, and in the message inside we can write, don't forget to look for these. These products are hard to find and help in keeping your home clean. And this is the back side of the card. It's a very artistic card, and loved making it. For another cards idea, I have this paper cut into a smaller card, and it will be like in this shape. And then with the design scissors, I just cut the edges like this. I was thinking of making it a nice birthday card, and I'm gonna stick this. Let the good times roll. Happy quarantine birthday. You find all you need for now. This is the one which I cut these pictures from the Macy's sale paper, and this is a good card for a friend's birthday or for upcoming Mother's Day. And at the back it is a little fancier, the back of the card, and then you can add a happy Mother's Day or a happy birthday message. This one is another card. These infinity cards, they come on the Xbox and the games, Disney games box. So just made a nice card out of this. This one is also, it could be used during the quarantine if someone's birthday comes up, or after it. Happy birthday, and it's a homemade dalgona coffee and the chocolate, which we all are indulging into these days at home. This card is very near. I'm still practicing how to make these dresses out of any fine paper of the magazine, and just a nice card for a friend's birthday. If you like these creative ideas of homemade card, please give this video a thumbs up and share it with your family and friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Take care. Bye bye.